Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your API with Postman, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Postman on your computer. Create a new workspace by clicking the new button on the left sidebar. Select workspace and choose a name for your workspace. After that, set up your API by clicking new again and selecting API. Name your API and set the version according to your requirements. Next, define the base URL for your API in the API settings. Now, let's focus on authentication. Select the API request you want to secure in your workspace. Navigate to the Authorization tab for that request. Choose the type of authentication method you intend to use, such as OAuth 2.0 or API key. For OAuth 2.0, fill in the required fields, including client ID and secret. If you're using an API key, enter the key in the specified field. Make sure to select the correct location for the API key, whether it's in the headers or the query. Once you've set your authentication, run a test call to see if it works. Check the response status code to ensure it's successfully secured. If you receive a 200 status code, your setup is correct. Next, it's a good idea to test additional scenarios. Try using an incorrect API key or invalid credentials to verify that access is denied. Monitor the response to ensure it returns an appropriate error message like a 403 forbidden. Now, proceed to set request headers if your API requires additional security tokens. Add headers by navigating to the Headers tab within the request. Include any necessary tokens or customized headers required by your API. Once everything is in place, save your request to maintain your configurations. To further secure your API, consider implementing rate limiting on your server side. If applicable, also ensure that your API only accepts requests from trusted origins. Finally, educate your team about best practices for API security. Review your security configurations periodically to keep them updated against vulnerabilities. By following these steps, you will have successfully secured your API using Postman. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.